Hallelujah, child. Welcome to my house. What fun we're going to have baking all kinds of incredible cakes, pies, and breads right here in my own kitchen. This is a Genoise cake. It's really one of the most important classics anyone who wants to be a baker should have in their repertoire. And if you know how to make this, you can make lady fingers, these cute little Madeleine cookies, and little beauties like these. And Flo Breaker, the baker, is going to show us how to do it.
Just turning it over and in and making a round, and then you're just going to tighten it underneath. With the hands
Because
underneath.
a lot of times you see punch it down, they just go plunk like that.
Right, and they just let it go.
But then, that isn't redistributing the yeast,
no,
what you're
not at
doing.
all. Yeah, not at all.
You're doing it the right way.
You want to start off slowly and try and get all of the sugar crystals dissolved.
That's wonderful. Every kitchen should have one.
I think so. I think every woman should have a blowtorch because men listen to you when you have a blowtorch in your hand.
I can imagine. Woo, look at that. Oh, my.
It looks great,
huh?
huh?
Beautiful. It smells so good. Num, num.
But now we have to wait until the toast is cold. Take your knife and make sure that... Wow! Look at that.
Oh, it's still warm. That is lovely. Well, that is just beautiful.
Take a little piece for me. I can't wait. Look at that.
I think this is a really beautiful cake. And I don't know, it's so original having these fruits on it.
Well, you know,
it just doesn't look like one of those commercial cakes.
Perfection is also knowing when to stop putting these things on. I could just keep going and going, and yet I'm a little afraid of putting too much.
I think so.
I need one more raspberry.
Where are you going to put
right
it? Right
here.
That is lovely.
And the cake is ready to present to the party. A good combination.
It's a dessert to cry over. Gosh, that's so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a triumph. Bon appetit! I'll have to have another piece.